Wisdom man.
Nna m mpa.
Ka ihe nwe ike ikwu gbasara okwu minimum wage ndị Labour na federal government na-azọ n'obodo a.
Well, if you left to me alone, government must the right thing akwụsị ime. Anyị chairman and government must the right thing to ime. Anyị ọbụla na-adọji ya. They know the right thing to do. Ama ihe kwesịrị ime nụ ka obodo wee gaa n'iru. Ama ihe kwesịrị ime ka ndị na-alụ ọrụ wee obi ha na-akpa aka wee na-alụ ọrụ ha na-alụ. Ama ihe kwesịrị ime ka ego wee dị n'obodo. Ama ihe kwesịrị ime ka ndị dị n'obodo. Ama ihe kwesịrị ime ka onye na-ana ọgwụgwọ onye na-anala ego ụgwọ ọnwa ya na-enwe anwụrụ wee na-anabi ya wee na-akwadokwa maka ọnwa ọzọ ọ ga-abịakwa lụ ọrụ. So ha mụ ihe a ga-eme. My own take on this na government know the right thing to do. That is what they know the right thing to do, and when they do the right thing, everybody will be happy. Both the workers and the people, both the employees and the employer, everybody will be happy. Do you understand me? So they know what to do. So,
Wisdom man.
And now,
dịka okwu minimum wage asha aga now.
yes.
Ịma na onye isi ndị Labour gwara anyị na-enye federal government 7 days ka anye ha azịza n'ihe nke ha na-azọ. Na after 7 days na ọ bụ na-enyere ha answer na ha ga-agbakwa strike ọzọ. Ka ihe nwe ike ikwu gbasara strike a enwe ike ịgba.
Israel m ga-asị na mama support ka agba strike again because passes na atọ afọ. Mana the other thing ga-ajikwa nwa gị bụ decision na ị ga-efebe aka. Ka bụ ndị thing dịkwa na Nigeria. Decision na ga-eweta mmiri banye gị ife aka. Okay, if you got that 7 days, automatically to go back on strike. They will not go back on strike. How many years on that strike? Kuku and I consider a meeting to meeting. But left for me alone, man, choke and strike again in the country. Because the kind of thing, the way things is now, things is expensive, and the cost of living is high. I become one strike. Okay, so how far in means I get settled without that strike? I don't want to strike weapon of labor to hold the government ransom. And most time, get but I work, I go the too much in the body. When I get man, I go the too much. So that strike. We again got a very big mess to this country. I don't know about the economy because economy I go game maybe already, but I'll put more go. That's my own opinion. But then them find a way. I be cut on cattle I guess you were settle this thing without going on strike. Which I work out my own opinion is about my answer and
Wisdom man.
And
Abogwa Labour chairman n'obodo a. Ka ihe nwe ike ime gbasara okwu minimum wage a.
Well, I will do my best to make sure let me increase the worker salary. Because you watch the National Assembly, that is the government, both the 3 arms of government, both the executive, judiciary, and the legislature. So watch them, they are living large. Like I said in my previous video, that the biggest business in Nigeria is politics. So they're living large. They felt that no harm with the nation, that they're dictating what is happening in this country. So if they don't say that they don't want to increase the minimum wage of workers, better, okay, I suppose the manager will have to slash their own salary. The workers, they do the same level with the workers. Because I want a special thing, the workers cannot, I don't know whether I understand my point. So, all because another go, but they use professors MS up in election, Bob and election, because they don't pay them well. So, I'm going to feel I'm on minimum wage. I want they got too much for them to pay. Let them slash their own salary. Let the executive slash their salary. Let the legislator do the same thing, and the same thing goes to judiciary. That is my own take. But as far as in the concern, they have to increase that thing. If I'm in Labour, I will use my best strategy to hold the government down, to make sure that they increase that money. So when we keep moving as a Labour boss, I will do it to make sure they increase the workers' salary. That's my take on it. So if you go consider now, go guys, we cook it out. I'm a key element in a country, the state of the nation, and we have too much chaos everywhere. The workers and the Labour and the government, everyone is because of workers and the salary. The government do not maintain and salary, so they must put that money in that salary. So I'll be here now. So if you don't want anything to add up or any question to ask, you should call on comment section and do that. Only actually joy, only your own suggestion, only your own point. Or you not going to there was there in the comment section. Or you can call right now. Let me see.